Want to cut a circle in half? Let's see how to do it in this tutorial. From the toolbar, go to Ellipse tool and press Shift and drag to create a circle. Now, go to Direct Selection tool and select this anchor point and press Delete. Right click on it and join. Your semicircle is ready. Now, if we don't want to divide it from between, rather from the side, let's see how to do it. Just make another circle. Now, for your convenience, let's make a guide so that anchor points we make are opposite to each other. Now, just drag the guide from the left side. Select the circle. In the pen tool, go to Add Anchor Point and add anchor points. Remove the guide. Go to Direct Selection tool and select the anchor point of the side of the circle you want to delete. Press Delete and again join. Here you go.